My boy Roy Kelly's Guns and Ammo. Best place to buy guns and ammo in the whole freaking county. Alright, we're over here having a little fun. I have the new 450 Bushmaster and AR15 ready to go. Have the Slappys special. Thank you, brother Anthony Locanto. I have no clue what these are going to do, but hopefully they shoot okay. Was just bore sighted in, so let's try this out. You got your earmuffs on? It's going to be loud as shit. Hold your ears. This is a cannon. All right, fire in the hole, Jack. All right, bolt extracted just fine. 450 Bushmaster. All right, we'll check it out.